Let's show you how to set up a VLAN on your Asus router. If you don't know if you have VLAN capabilities on your router, come down into the LAN area and look for this tab at the top. It says VLAN. If you don't have this, you don't have it. But if you have it, here's how you can do it. So come into the port and you can pick access or trunk. Access is for individual PCs. Trunk is for hooking up something like a switch and then using that switch to hook up the PCs. So since this port I know is connected to this main computer, I'm going to click its access. And now we can pick what VLAN I want to put it on. You can see here I've guessed an IoT. I actually don't want to use either one of these. I want to give it its own VLAN. So I'm going to put it back to default and we're going to go to the network tab. And now under network, we're going to add a new network. So we're going to say customized. And then we're going to give it a name. So we're going to call it VLAN test. Give it a password. Click apply. Once that's done, you're going to see here's your VLAN. It's going to be given the .54. If you want to switch that to something else like .28 or whatever, you can just pick that here, come into the advanced settings area and just put VLAN ID and give it whatever you want. Click apply. If it's going to be an AI mesh node, you can set that, but we're not doing that on this one. Now we're going to come back into the LAN, go back to VLAN, and then we can go ahead and click access. And now we can give it our VLAN test. So now only this computer will be on that .54 ID and everything else will be on whatever other IDs I have set up. That is the quick and dirty way to set up a VLAN on your Asus router.